Okay, so for this video I'm going to use the technique that I used for the last video, which was how to create a circle from a square. Basically what we did, we divided each square with diagonal lines and then approximated 2/3 on each diagonal to work out where the circle will more or less hit the diagonals. So on this one here I'm going to go through and mark in my diagonals, put in my vertical, and what's different this time though, rather than just putting a horizontal line, I have to draw the horizontal line going back to the vanishing point. Now on the computer I started from the center just so I could work out where the center was, and then I've extended it out. But this line here is absolutely critical that you go back to the vanishing point. Once you've got that, I still use the same technique as I did before, and that is to divide each diagonal into equal thirds. So I'm having a rough go at it here. On this one here probably needed to be a little bit lower. I'll fix that up once I go through, and now I'm marking out the slightly more than 2/3 rule. So it is very rough, but it just seems to work and it's nice and easy. Just go slightly more than 2/3, so I've fixed it up a bit more here, come down a bit more, and now I'm going to rough in my ellipse. And there you go. That's what the ellipse, it's not absolutely perfect, but it's pretty good. This method of working out how to draw the ellipse, and will suffice most definitely for today's class. The biggest issue that people will have is this one down here, where they are often too scared to make sure that this comes down this far. So actually, if I divided it into equal thirds, I would have a dot there and a dot there, and then that purple dot would be obviously where the 2/3 mark is. But most students get really scared around here to come out and down this low. Also, when I draw it, I usually draw each quarter at a time. Good luck in constructing your ellipses.